Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing a surprise fold Yoshi. To start, let's fold off the piece of paper in half. Like so. Once you're done with that, we're going to fold up the paper, the front part of it up slightly. That should be good, and this is going to be our cap. Alright, let's start off with our Yoshi egg before we put the Yoshi in. For the egg, we're going to draw the egg right around the middle, starting from the left. Let's go up to the top. And back down. And once you get to this point, we just need to cap off the bottom. Of our Yoshi egg. Once you're done with this step, we need to add some the green spots on Yoshi's egg. So let's add 3 of them. 1, 2, and a third one down here. 3. I'll give you some time to complete that. With that done, let's add in the crack of the shell for our Yoshi. So we're going to use, let's say this line as our measurement. We don't want to go past it downwards because it will show up on our surprise fold. So everything we want to draw is above this line. So imagine there's a line right here, and then we're just going to draw cracks above it, like so. And then let's connect this little spot up. And let's do the same on the top. Right below this crease line, we can add our cracks. That's looking good. And when you fold, it should look like a complete egg. With that done, let's draw in our Yoshi. Let's see, we want to start off with a nice big round nose. Right around here. Let's go from here and draw a giant circle, like so. This will be our nose. And then once the nose is done, let's draw in a little cheek. A cheek should start right around here, and it'll just be out like this. And then back in to connect to the bottom of the nose for the lips. Then we need to draw a little opening for the mouth, or like so. And let's do a little tongue. Once you're done with the cheeks, let's connect it like so, like right here. And let's move over to the eyes. The eyes are pretty big, so we're gonna start on the top of the nose. We're going to hoop up and then back down all the way to the cheek. So this is gonna be one of the eyes. And then we need a second one behind. And let's draw in a line right around here and draw in the whites of the eyes. One right here and one right there. This is the white of the eye, so we just need to draw in a nice big pupil. Let's add a little bit of highlight. And let's add in the black of our eyes. Like so. And then maybe we could add in a little bit of the black on this side too. And extend this eye up. And Yoshi does have some little fins on the back, so let's add those. That's looking good. And he needs nostrils, so we could add one right here and one right here. Now with the head done, let's draw in the little arms. Let's see where we could add them. We could add them right here and right here. But let's just draw in 2 medium-sized circles, like so. And let's draw in a little body. We're going to start from here and draw in a little bit of the body on either side. And make sure to add a little bit of the tail right here to show. And connect the arms to this body. And once our body's done, let's split the fingers a little bit. Let's see, he would have 4 fingers, so we could just do 3 lines each for our 4 fingers. And then since his belly is white, let's split it so we can have our green area and our white area. And finally, Yoshi's shell can be right here. And it's going to be the red shell, like so. And that's going to be our surprise fold Yoshi. Once you're done with your drawing, let's color it real quick. Once you're done coloring, we could try out our new Yoshi surprise fold. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and if you have ideas for any other videos, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.